Hello everyone and welcome to LockDown Learner. So today we are going to do a program of palindrome in linked list. Okay. So सबसे पहले हमने एक फंक्शन में जिसमें हम बूल टाइप की वैल्यू हम रिटर्न कराएंगे और पैलिन नाम रख लेते हैं जिसमें हमने अपनी पूरी लिंक लिस्ट पास कराई है. ओके. सो इसमें हम नाम रख लेते हैं लाइक पाल. ओके. हमने पाल नाम रख लिया इसका. And then what we are doing, then we are like initializing new linked list and putting the value, putting this head. This is basically head. Okay, we have put the pal name. This is head. So what we are doing, we are getting that value in another linked list like start. Okay, start equals to pal. Okay, start, or you can say any name. And then what we are doing, we are defining a stack. Okay, stack int, like int of I. Okay, then we are having one loop in which like we are putting all the values of this like start into the stack. Okay, like while start not equal to null. Okay, and then what we are doing here is like I dot push start of data. Okay, so we are pushing start of data inside the stack, and then what we are doing is like start equals to start of next. Okay, so like we have copied all this linked list values in this stack. Okay, and then what we are doing here is then we are going to check like this all whole of the values are equal or not, like while this pal not equals to null. Okay, so what we are doing is int I equals to this like I equals to this I dot top. You can write like double I equals to I dot top. Okay, so double I is having the I dot top value, and then what we are doing is I dot pop. Then when we are copying that value inside this, and then we are deleting that value. Okay, we are having value inside this. So if head of data not equals to I, then return false. Okay, and else we are having return true. Okay, so basically this is a program which we are doing. This is easy.